Station in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada.
Little Sally Walker sitting in a saucer.
It's a bunker, so there's some really lovely people in this bunker. Yes, it attracts some really awesome people.
Driller, chiller out with the Miller Brew. Fill her up, juke until the damn Dutch puke. Luke Skywalker ain't a sweet talker, so I got ill with my lifesaver that came in one fancy flavor. My strange behavior led to.
It is like tough getting started, especially like getting your space and getting everything organized, but the work that I imagine you're doing right now is super important, and keep going. It'll be worth it.
And it's really fun to watch things grow, so you have all that to look forward to.
Remember to take care of yourself while you're doing it.
Yeah.
Take breaks.
Yeah.
And on each other.
Yeah. Take breaks, don't burn out.
Yeah.
Yo, first comes the tongue, and then comes the she, my homies, M-O-M, what M-I? Yo, as I think today one in my eyes will show fear, cause I stepped into his house, mom's grinning ear to ear.
Best of luck with all your future endeavors, and good luck getting started.
She's sizing me up for the kill. Oh, what the hell's what I said to myself so that I wouldn't worry. I'm sitting on the couch and was Greg, please. What up? She offered me a cup.
I'm Ida.
Emily.
I'm Jordan.
Stacia.
Bye, Mechanical Gardens.
See ya. Good luck.
See you soon.
Alexander Park, Mid Mile, I flipped the soul